That is the end of selective shooting, sir. We're going to proceed to shooting under physical effort, sir.
Agaba. Okay.
So the next is the group that shot the qualified side.
Kuweka kwa black spot target ya kweli. Na nimeweza kuweka sasa yote 15 kwa black spot. Mission challenge sir. Excellent.
And to receive him is none other than the Chief of Defense Forces of the UPD.
Let's start walking. Let's move to the other side. Let's keep moving. I want us to put a big here. Okay.
Command Serakasenyi, Samora Machel, Special Forces School, Kaweta, Nakasongola, Amilcar Cabral Airborne School, 3 Infantry Division Training School, Olim, 5 Infantry Division Training School, Labordong, District and local government leaders here present, senior officers, and men, the young soldiers who are ready to graduate today. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Your Excellency, uninvited guests, today's graduation function of our military recruits is not an ordinary one for many reasons. First, in terms of the record number of those that are graduating, a big number, one that we usually do not present here, and the rest participating virtually through the screens that you've been seeing. Third, the direct participation of half a dozen military schools that I mentioned when I was going through the protocol. All these schools have nurtured these young Ugandans into warriors ready for battle. They have
The third one is recruit Nawanga Dokas, trained from Olirim Training School, female age 27 years, and she was recruited from Boikwe district. Her level of education is Bachelor's degree of Science in Management. The fourth one is recruit Lonyela Sande Benjamin, trained from Labodong Training School, male age 21 years, and was recruited from Namsindwa district. His level of education from Fort Samora Machel Training School, Waza. The sixth one, Kapchorwa district. His level of education is certificate in painting, design, and decorating. The second